Good morning, my lovely kids. What the time is going around? The festival time. You must be enjoying shopping, good food, and you must be buying new clothes for the festival. Because so your mother must be cooking delicious dishes for you, and you must be enjoying yummy dishes. So today we are going to
learn
about different festivals. Festival, a day or period of celebration typically for religious reason. India is a land of different religions, so we all together celebrate different festivals. Basically festivals होते क्या है? Festival is a time of fun, enjoyment and flourishness. So we will learn about different types of festival. There are three types of festival. National festivals, religious festival and harvest festival. Festival motivate us to be better people and to share our joy with the world. By celebrating festivals together, we learn togetherness, shareness and love. आती है या दशहरा आता है, what we do, we celebrate all together and we share food, we enjoy, we make fun. हम सब क्या होते हैं, इकट्ठा होते हैं अपने घर में. If we are living far away also, by Zoom or some other apps also, we connect each other and celebrate all the festival together. As in lockdown also, we cannot go out, but we all are celebrating all the festivals. So can you guess which festival is this?
गणेश चतुर्थी.
Yes. What we do on Ganesh Chaturthi? हम क्या करते हैं? We bring Lord Ganesha to our house and after 10 days we immerse him in the holy river. Or we which song we sing? We sing Ganpati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria, अगले बरस तुम जल्दी आओ. You all wait for Lord Ganesha because आप सब क्या करते हो? You enjoy a lot. आप सब जाते हैं, कलर्स के साथ प्ले करते हैं. You enjoy the food, लड्डूस, मोदक, all this yummy dishes. और फिर हम गणेश जी को विसर्जित कर आते हैं. Eid ul-Adha and Eid ul-Fitr are the great opportunities to bring the family together. These are the festivals that can bring entire communities together. This is the festival when people used to go to mosque and offer namaz over there. After namaz, they hug each other. They spread the quality of brotherhood. You can see in this picture that people are hugging each other. Eid teaches us about brotherhood. Raksha Bandhan, unique festival both in India and the world. It celebrates the loving bond between brother and sister, brings the whole family and often others closer. Togetherness around this most beautiful of relationship. This is the festival of relationship between brother and sister, which develops the bond between brother and sister. क्या होता है? सिस्टर क्या करती है? अपने ब्रदर के हैंड्स पे राखी टाई करती है. And this festival is of love between brother and sister. Dashera comes a few days before Diwali, but it is no less important. Who doesn't remember going with one's family to see the Ram Leela and the burning of Ravan? These are the memories that last a lifetime. This year, it was not possible for us to go to Ram Leela, but still we are having good memories of Ram Leela. हम पहले तो हम रामलीला जाते हैं. रामलीला पे हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ जाते हैं. वहाँ पर स्विंग्स, फूड, हम सभी क्या करते हैं? एंजॉय करते हैं. अभी तक आपके पास वो मेमोरीज है ना? लास्ट ईयर वाली. दिस टाइम तो इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल. दशहरा फेस्टिवल teaches us about victory over evil. कैसे राम जी ने रावण का वध किया था. Diwali is a festival of light, enjoyment. इसमें क्या होता है? We all come together और we enjoy food, sweets, we exchange the gifts. Basically, this festival teaches us about sharing. How we exchange our gifts with our friends, with our relatives. Not only gifts, we exchange the love also. So, what this festival teaches us? This festival teaches us about
sharing and love.
yes, this festival teaches about sharing and love. Holi festival that truly removes the boundaries that man has created for man. It's a hackney thing to say, but Holi even makes friends out of enemies. People all over India forget their differences and celebrate with the innocence of children. On this festival, क्या होता है? अगर आपको कोई एनिमी भी है, इफ आपका किसी से झगड़ा भी हो गया है, तो सब भूल जाते हैं, सब एक दूसरे के साथ कलर्स के साथ खेलते हैं. दिस इज अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स. होली फेस्टिवल adds colors to our life. Christmas. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming around, wailing on the sleigh.
Woohoo!
Yay! Jingle bell, jingle all the way. क्रिसमस का फेस्टिवल आते ही कौन याद आता है? Who? Yes, सेंटा क्लॉज. और सेंटा क्लॉज क्या लाता है आप सबके लिए?
Gifts.
Yes. आप सब क्या करते हो क्रिसमस से पहले? सब अपनी सॉक्स में क्या करते हैं? विशेस डालते हैं और सो जाते हैं. On that day, Santa come and give you gifts. Like other festival, it is about getting people together and spreading the joy. And of course, the presents. Wow! Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti is birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. On this day, people go to gurdwaras and help in the kitchen to make the food and to serve langar. This festival teaches us about sacrifice, respect and charity.
Diwali, Eid and Christmas are festivals we celebrate. Together we greet each other. Together we eat many a sweet. Yes, these festivals we celebrate. Yes, these festivals we celebrate.
Festivals which are our national festival, which whole country celebrates together. These are as religious festivals are celebrated in different states, but national festivals, Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti. These are three festivals which are our national festival, which whole country celebrates together. It's a pride for every country and celebrated by every citizen of India and bring the community together.
Hey, hey, all my friends, up the pole, my flag ascends, in colors, saffron, white and green. Hey, 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 all my friends, up the pole, my flag ascends, in colors, saffron, white and green. Such glory have you ever seen?
48 states of India celebrate this harvest festivals at various times throughout the year with different names: Lodi, Baisakhi, Onam and Piju. On this day, the crops are cut on and people used to sing, dance and wear new clothes. Oldest form of festivals celebrated together that bring community together are Bihu, Baisakhi, Onam and Lodi.
It's harvest feast, it's harvest feast. There's mounds in heaps, there's mounds in heaps of food to keep, of food to keep. We reap and store what we sow and feast on what we grow. Good food and drinks, good food and drinks. The plates make clinks, the plates make clinks. Clink, clink and clink, clink, clink and clink. We reap and store what we sow and feast on what we grow. Round the globe, the seasons roll, the seasons roll. When fall unfolds, when fall unfolds. We reap and store what we sow and feast on what we grow. Different days, in different ways, in different ways. We celebrate, we celebrate. Sun, thanks to the sun, the brightest one, the brightest one. And the rain that runs, and the rain that runs. We reap the oldest fest, the oldest fest. Be it east or west, be it east or west. We all feel blessed, we all feel blessed.
So you all have seen various festivals, and the motive of celebrating all the festival is to bring peace, love and togetherness.